Hello everyone, today we are going to study the concept of class in C++. So before moving to the concept in C++, let's get into what is class. So basically class is an abstraction that describes the properties important to an application and it ignores to the rest. So what class is doing? It is a group of objects that share common properties and a relationship. Now what is the object we are talking? See, object can be any real-time entities. It can be a living or I can say a non-living entity which combines the both data structures and the behaviors in a single entity. So now when we are coming to C++, in C++ a class is a new data type that contains member variables and member functions, right? So whenever we are talking that it contains the member variables and the member functions, so in C++ member variables are the variables whereas the member functions are the functions or the methods we are defining or declaring in the program, right? So here some of its member can be declared as private so that they cannot be accessed directly by the external functions, and it can use the concept of what I have told you in the definition of the class, that it is taking the concept of abstraction where the important properties are described to the applications only. So what we are doing, we are also doing here that we are making some of the members private so that they cannot be accessed directly by the external function until unless it is not necessary. There are various methods to relate with the private. We will learn it in the next video. So the C++ also incorporates the extensions in a user defined type known as class. Now class, what is the extensions I am talking in this particular statement? So the extensions I am talking is the which include the structure which we are using in the C programming language plus some new concepts involved in it, right? So a class is used to hold data and the function together whereas the structure is only used for the data. By default, the member of a class is always taken as the private and it can be generally defined as a keyword name class. Okay, so whenever we are creating a class, we will just write it down with the keyword class and the followed name. So it also allows the data to be hidden and necessary for the external use. Thank you.